Hello friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share this video to your friends. Subscribe our channel and tap the bell to receive notifications about all new videos. Standard 10, My English Course Book. 1.3 Basketful of Moonlight, Poet Sunil Sharma. Section 3rd, Poetry, Question 3.A, 5 marks, Part 2 of 8. Extract first.
O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or 2 baskets full, with seeds of moonlight, from the city to my village, on the sides of the path. I want to so many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep.
Question 3. Read the following extract and do the activities. 5 marks. A1. Complete the following sentences with the help of the extract. The child wants to saw a moon of light from the city to his village on the sides of the path. Second, according to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. A2. Complete the verb. The speaker is worried about first, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Second, and darkness on the road of his village. A3. Pick out and write the lines from the poem that proves the following. First, father reaches home late after dark. Second, the path from city to village is having many difficulties. Answer. First, when my father returns home, I am asleep. Second, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Extract second.
And he goes back early in the morning, while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route, so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. Want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path.
Question 3A. Read the following extract and do the activities. 5 mark. A1. Complete the following sentences with the help of the extract. 2 marks. First, the child wants a basket full of moonlight on loan. Second, the child wants to light and dark route so that his father return early. A2. Why does the poet want his father to come early? 2 marks. Answer. The poet wants his father to come early from work at night. It is natural feeling of a child to have a love of his father. At night, the child would love to hear interesting stories from his father before he sleeps. A3. Pick out 2 examples of alliteration. 2 marks. Answer. First, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. Second, I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Like, share and subscribe.